Ever wonder how you can make money online? Imagine a world where your office is wherever you choose and your schedule is as flexible as you need it to be. The realm of online income offers this freedom. It's a universe brimming with opportunities, from freelance gigs to running your own virtual store. The possibilities are as vast as the internet itself, so if you're intrigued by the prospect of earning on the web, stay tuned if you're curious about easy, actionable steps to start making money online. Before you dive in, understanding the basics of making money online is crucial. So, let's start with the fundamentals. Picture the online world as a bustling marketplace teeming with opportunities. Much like in a physical marketplace, there are various ways to earn. You could set up your own stall, which is akin to starting an e-commerce business, or you could provide services, similar to freelancing. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing, a term you might have heard often. Simply put, affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's products and earn a commission on each sale made through your referral. It's like being a salesperson in the digital world, but you have the freedom to choose what you want to sell. Next up, content creation. If you love sharing your ideas, thoughts, or skills, content creation could be a path worth exploring. This could be through blogging, podcasting, or making videos. Your earnings come from the ads displayed on your content, sponsorships, or even selling your own products or services. Then there's freelancing. Are you skilled in graphic design, writing, programming, or any other field? You can offer your services on various platforms and get paid per project. It's like being your own boss, setting your own rates and choosing your own clients. Lastly, e-commerce. This is the process of selling products online, either physical or digital. You can set up your own online store or use platforms like Etsy or Amazon. The key is finding a product people want and marketing it effectively. Setting clear goals is another fundamental aspect. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve? Is it a side income, or do you want to make this your full-time job? Having a clear goal will guide your decisions and keep you focused. Choosing a specific path is also essential. Each path requires different skills and strategies, so it's important to choose one that suits your interests and abilities. Knowing the basics gives you a solid foundation to build your online money-making journey. Now that you understand the basics, it's time to choose your path. Yes, indeed, the digital world is brimming with opportunities for anyone with a dream and a dash of determination. There are numerous paths you could tread on, but it's pivotal to pick one that aligns with your interests and skills. Let's start with blogging. It's as simple as sharing your thoughts, ideas, or expertise with the world. If you have a passion for writing and a topic you're enthusiastic about, creating a blog might be your golden ticket. The key is to consistently produce quality content that resonates with your readers, thereby attracting traffic and ad revenue. Then there's the dynamic world of YouTube. If you're more comfortable in front of a camera and have a knack for creating engaging content, this platform could be your playground. From cooking shows to tech reviews, from lifestyle vlogs to educational content, the possibilities are virtually endless. And with each view, like, and subscription, you're a step closer to monetizing your channel. Perhaps you're more entrepreneurial and have a product to sell. E-commerce platforms can help you reach a global audience. Whether it's handmade crafts, digital art, or even secondhand items, there's a market for almost anything online. But remember, your success hinges on understanding your customers' needs and delivering excellent service. And let's not forget about freelance services. Are you a graphic designer, a writer, a programmer? The internet is teeming with clients seeking your skills. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr can connect you with these opportunities. Just make sure to showcase your best work and maintain a high level of professionalism. The digital landscape is vast and varied. It's easy to feel overwhelmed. But remember, the goal is not to do everything but to do one thing well. So take a moment, reflect on your skills and passions, and choose a path that feels right for you. Choosing a path that suits you is the first step towards making money online. So, get ready to embark on this exciting journey. There's a world of opportunity waiting for you. With a clear path in mind, the next step is to develop a strategy. Picture yourself embarking on a journey. You wouldn't just jump in the car and start driving without a destination or a roadmap, would you? The same applies to making money online. It's not enough to just have a path. You need to have a strategy, a plan of action that guides your every step towards your goal. Let's talk about the importance of setting short-term and long-term goals. Imagine your journey as a series of milestones. Your short-term goals are the smaller, achievable targets that pave the way to your ultimate destination, your long-term goal. Setting both types of goals gives you a clear focus, keeps you motivated, and helps you measure your progress. Remember, these goals should be SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Next, understanding your target audience. This is crucial because it helps you create content that resonates with the people you're trying to reach. Ask yourself, who are they? What are their interests, their pain points, their needs? What kind of content would they find valuable or engaging? The more you know about your audience, the better you can tailor your content to appeal to them. Speaking of content, let's move on to creating a content plan. This is your blueprint for what you'll be sharing with your audience and when. A good content plan takes into consideration not just what you want to say, but also when and how often you should say it. It's about finding a balance between providing value and staying visible without overwhelming your audience. And there you have it. Short-term and long-term goals to guide your journey, an understanding of your target audience to inform your content, and a content plan to structure your output. Each of these elements is a crucial part of your strategy. A well-thought-out strategy is your roadmap to success in making money online. It's the compass that keeps you on track, the fuel that keeps you moving forward. So take the time to develop your strategy. It's an investment that will pay off in the long run. Once you have a strategy, it's time to put it into action. Now you might be wondering, how do I go about this? Well, that's what we're here to discuss. The first step in implementing your strategy is consistency. Consistency is the key to gaining credibility and establishing a routine. It's not just about doing something once and then forgetting about it. It's about showing up day in and day out and putting in the work. Next, let's talk about quality. Quality should never be compromised. It's better to have fewer high-quality outputs than a multitude of mediocre ones. Remember, you're not just creating for the sake of creating, you're creating to add value. So, always strive for excellence in everything you do. Engaging with your audience is another crucial aspect. Remember, you're not just talking to a camera or a computer screen. Behind every view, every click, every like, there are real people. So make sure to connect with them. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and show appreciation. After all, without them, your strategy would be meaningless. Lastly, don't forget to use analytics to track your progress. This will help you understand what's working and what's not. It's like a compass that guides your direction. It helps you make informed decisions and adjust your strategy as needed. Don't be afraid of numbers. Embrace them, learn from them, and use them to your advantage. So, to sum it up, implementing your strategy involves being consistent, producing quality content, engaging with your audience, and using analytics to track your progress. It's not always easy, but remember, every step you take brings you closer to your goal. Implementation is where your strategy comes to life, and you start to see results. So, keep pushing forward, keep learning, keep growing, and most importantly, keep implementing, because that's where the magic happens. Making money online might seem daunting at first, but it's completely achievable with the right approach. We've explored a lot today, unraveling the mystery of how to start making money online. From understanding the basics, choosing your path, developing a strategy, and finally, implementing that strategy, we've covered it all. It's a lot to take in, but don't worry. Each step is manageable. And when you break it down, it's not as intimidating as it might seem. The key lies in starting small, with a single step, and then building from there. Today, we've given you the roadmap, but the journey is yours to embark on. It's your determination, your effort, and your perseverance that will ultimately decide your success. Don't be disheartened if things don't go as planned initially. It's all part of the process. Each setback is a lesson learned, and each success, no matter how small, is a step in the right direction. Remember, there are no shortcuts to success. It's the consistent hard work, the relentless pursuit of your goals, that will get you there. You've got the tools, you've got the knowledge. Now it's time to put it all into action. Don't wait for the perfect moment, because there's no such thing. The best time to start is now. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So, take that first step towards making money online today. Good luck.